Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw an electric pea shooter from Plants vs. Zombies. Let's get started in the center of the page over towards the right side with the mouth. So we're going to start with an oval with an open end on the inside. So let's start just on the left side here. We're going to curve up to the top of the oval, down towards the bottom, and then up on the inside. Now let's draw on the inside opening of the mouth. So from the top we're going to step down, curve over towards the left, and then back over towards the right. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the mouth, starting from the very top, curving towards the right, and then tucking that back in underneath the bottom line. Now we're going to tuck the head in behind the mouth. So it's a large circle. We're going to start on the left side of the mouth, curving up towards the top, then down. I want to make my way back around towards the bottom on the left side. Now let's move to the top of the head and draw on the eyes. So I'm going to start in the middle here. We're going to start with the left eye. Starting from the top, we're going to be drawing a circle. Going around, and then back up. For the right eye, we're going to draw an oval, but we're going to angle it out towards the left. So let's start up here. Start at the very top of the oval, curve around to the bottom, and then back up towards the top. At the back of the head, we're going to add that lightning bolt antenna. So let's start on the side of the head. We're going to go up in an angle. Then we're going to come down in an angle towards the left. Then we're going to create a little overlap here. So we're going to step back, angle up and out towards the left. Now we're going to work our way back towards the head. Starting at the top, we're going to come straight down. Now we're going to go up in an angle. Now we're going to create a little overlap here. So we're going to step back and come down in behind the head. At the bottom of the head, we're going to add the collar. So on the left side, we're going to be drawing almost like a half circle, going around and then back up. Before we draw on the stem, I want to overlap a lightning bolt going across. So let's start on the left side here, come down at an angle, we're going to go up. Now we're going to work our way towards the right side. We're going to come back down with a straight line. We're going to angle back up again. Now we're going to pull this back over towards the left. Now we're just going to trace this out on the outside. Starting from the tip, we're going to taper down. We're going to go up. And we're just going to follow these angled lines all the way towards the end. Now as we get to the end here, we just want to connect these 2 points with a straight line. Now we're going to layer the stem in behind the lightning bolt. So at the bottom of the collar, we're going to step out towards the left, curving out, in behind the lightning bolt, continue down towards the bottom. We're going to step over towards the right and draw that same curve, going all the way down to the same height. Now we're going to draw the leaves along the bottom. So in between these 2 points, we're going to step down, start with this point, we're going to curve up in towards that line and then over towards the left. Go back to the middle, curve up over that line and out towards the right. Now we're going to draw on the leaves. From this line, we're going to step up along the side of the stem, curving up and then down towards the left. Now we're going to draw a little curve, curving back in. Let's go down towards the tip of the leaf, curving out and then down. From here, we're going to work our way back up towards the center point. So from here, we're going to curve in the opposite direction, going in towards the right. We're going to draw a little point here, so a little angled line. Now we're going to curve up towards that center point, curving in and then pulling that straight up. Now let's move over to the right side and draw on this leaf. So we're going to go up along the stem, curve up the top of the leaf, and we're just going to pull that down towards the tip of the leaf. We curve in the opposite direction, coming down and then up to right about here. We draw a short angled line, and we'll work our way back towards that center point, curving in and then up. We're going to tuck 2 small leaves in the back here, but this is going to go in behind this lightning bolt. So from this line, we're going to step up, curve up, in behind the bolt, continue on the outside. Now we're going to curve in the opposite direction and tuck this in behind the front leaf. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. Stepping up, curve in behind the lightning bolt. It's going to continue over along the side, curve in the opposite direction, down in behind the front leaf. Now we're going to surround the head with some more lightning bolts. So let's start on the left side here. Start with an angled line going out, come in and down. Now we're going to go up towards the head and do a short line coming down and then back in. Now Now again, we're going to trace this out on the outside. Starting from the tip, we'll taper it out. And then connect the ends with a straight line. Let's add one on the right side here. Starting below the chin, come down, go up and out towards the right, going up. Now we're going to pull this back in towards the left. And then again, tracing this out on the outside. Let's add one beside the mouth. And tracing it out along the outside again. Let's add one along the top of the antenna. Starting from the tip, we're going to step up. And we're going to add a few little sparks along the outside, so 2 small little circles. Let's finish this off with one more lightning bolt along the top of the head. And finally connect the ends with a straight line. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the electric pea shooter from Plants vs. Zombies. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.